Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a Facebook ID. And click on your Facebook app and click on create new account and click on get started and enter your first name and last name. Then click on next option. Then choose your date of birth. Then click on next option. After that select your gender. I am selecting my gender. I am male. Then click on next. And you have to enter a email. Then click on next and enter your 5-digit confirmation code. Put your confirmation code and click on next. And after that add your picture. And then click on here. Then add cover photo. After that click on done. After that click on edit profile. And you have to add bio about yourself. And click on save. And you have to add your more details. I think that you can to add your these details. So thank you so much guys for watching the video and subscribe the channel and share the video. Bye bye.